I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sorbet without honey, only way. Start by selecting ripe, flavorful fruit and measuring sugar and water precisely. Blend fruit into a smooth puree and dissolve sugar into a simple syrup before combining. Chill the mixture thoroughly, then churn in an ice cream maker or freeze using periodic scraping to prevent large ice crystals. Taste and adjust sweetness gently until balanced for serving. Gather your ingredients: ripe fruit, granulated sugar or agave, water, and a splash of lemon juice for brightness. Measure 2 cups of fruit puree and prepare 1 cup of simple syrup by dissolving sugar into hot water. Let the syrup cool completely to avoid cooking the puree. Mix the cooled syrup and fruit, then chill the combined mixture thoroughly before churning or freezing in a shallow tray for best texture. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing quick recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a tiny mood upgrade when you head to buy ingredients. It smells great and lasts a long time. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Prepare a smooth sorbet by blending fruit into a fine puree, then whisking in cooled simple syrup and lemon juice. Chill the mixture deeply so it is very cold before churning, which helps form a silky texture. Use an ice cream maker for the easiest result or freeze in a shallow pan, stirring every 20 to 30 minutes until evenly frozen and scoopable. Finish with a quick taste and minor adjustments to sweetness or acidity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.